In this video, I'm going to show you how to comment on YouTube Shorts. This problem may occur for some reasons. I'm going to show you the 3 ways to solve this issue. Let's see that. Number 1, if you watch the YouTube Shorts on website or any other browser means, you just need to install the YouTube app. So if it's an Android phone means just go to Play Store and install the YouTube app, or if it's an iPhone or iPad means just go to App Store and install the YouTube app. Then second way, if you're watching the YouTube Shorts on incognito mode means you just need to turn off that. You just need to click here and just turn off the incognito mode. Then definitely you will be able to make a comment on YouTube Shorts. If still it doesn't work means there is only one reason behind this. You just need to sign into a YouTube account. For that, just open the YouTube app and then click here for a new version of YouTube. If it's a old version means you need to just tap this top right. I just click here. Then probably you can see the sign in page like this, or here you can see the sign in option. Just need to click that and tap add accounts and just enter your Google email, just like that. Now you can see my account was added. Now I just open Shorts.
This is the most powerful.
And if I tap comment, it's open. I can able to make the comment just like that. Yeah, now it's added. This is the thing. First you need to install the YouTube app, that's number 1. And second, you need to turn off the incognito mode. If you turn on incognito mode, you can't be able to make a comment. So you just need to turn off the incognito mode. Then finally, if you doesn't add your email account, you can't able to make a comment. You can watch the videos, but you can't make a comment. So you just need to sign into your Gmail or email. Then definitely you can able to make a comment on YouTube Shorts video. And this is how you can comment on YouTube Shorts videos by using your iPhone and Android phone. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, please like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.